Hello everyone and welcome to Access Query Lab number 6. To get started with this lab you need two files. You need Query 6 instructions file and you need Query 6 starting file. I will have them side by side. It says here make sure that you save the database as Query 6. So I will click on File, Save As, and then I will call it Query 6 as you see here. Save it in a location where I save my solutions. Click Save, click on Enable Editing, and I would like to give you another scenario. Queries are very important. That's why you are spending a lot of time looking at different ways to use queries and answer some questions from our data or from our tables. Let's say if you are going to scrap all unsold cars older than 1990, then you would first make a backup table containing their details. Do you know how to create a backup table? I hope you know by now. After you create your backup table, you will need to create a delete query to remove unsold cars older than 1990. From which table? Table car. So the delete query would have only two fields: year with a criterion less than 1990 and sold with a criterion no. So basically your query should look like the image depicted here. I already created the query for the sake of time, and looking at this query here, I need to go to the design view. Someone might wonder, how do I have the query with color like that? This is the first time we do that. You can change that by going to the color scheme here and apply different color style. If I choose here under the text formatting, you can update the color to your choice. You can also go here and add more format. I will leave that to you to navigate and look at. These are features that you should be aware of, but I'm not focusing on formatting now. I'm focusing on understanding queries. So basically I will go to the design view, and then under sold I will make sure that I have a criterion that says no, and under year I'll make sure that I have less than 1990, and then I will click on, before I click anything, do you know how to create a delete query? If you look here under query setup, actually here, let me maximize the window so you can see. You have different types of query here. You have make table, already covered that. Now I need to delete. So which query do I need? I need the delete query. So if I click on delete, now I am ready to delete all of the records in the table that has the criteria as specified here. All unsold car older than 1990. If I click on run, it will tell me here, you are about to delete one row from the specified table. Would you like to delete it? Yes. But before you do that, you should make a backup. Someone will ask me, how do I make a backup? Go look at the previous lab and you will understand how to make a table. So you click on make table first, and then give a table name, and then you run, and then after you do that you click on the delete and then run, and that will delete the record based on the query that you have. So any car that is unsold, and because I have them on the both criterion on the same criteria row, so that I'm using the operator and. If I need to use or, I put it down here. Okay, I hope you did learn new things today. After you do that, you need to save and upload the query to Blackboard. Thank you everyone, and I'll see you in future labs.